Its physical appearance might be impressive, but it's designed to tackle more demanding environments without any hesitation. I am talking about the Kuka Kr210F exclusive. It's specifically engineered to ensure consistently high performance even where the environment really puts every component to the test. Thanks to its Foundry structure and this unique protective casing, it easily handles heat, abrasive dust, and extreme conditions. With a 210-kilogram wrist payload and a 2.70-meter reach, you get fast and precise movements. Its controller is the KRC4, giving you safety, repeatability, and maximum programming flexibility. And if your company faces demanding environments and real challenges every day, then solutions like these can truly make a definitive difference. I am here to help you determine if this Kuka is indeed the right solution for you.